Hi, my name is Yulia Gordon, and it's final project for CIS 3367 class, Professor Wheeler. Today, I'm going to show you how to use XBRL for comparing and analyzing the companies. And today it will be financial service companies like Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, and third company will be JP Morgan. Using 10K for analyzing this company because it basically uh, uh, consolidated all financial statement of this company. So now I'm gonna go to use XBRL sheet, but in future can do automatic inquiry and you don't need to go to this site anymore. Now we have our filing, and here is standard sheet what's supposed to derive all numbers like income taxes, profit or loss, assets, and everything from filings. And then it's transferred to model sheet, what gives us ratio to compare this company. But how you can see, it's completely uncomparable and it's like all these errors. So I would like to rid of them, and I will start from formatting the standard sheet. How you can see some information missing, and so it's make it impossible to compare these three companies. And for example, revenue sales, revenue financial service, I believe it's not necessary here because all of revenues actually for these companies is from financial service. So I need to find out why this information is missing. And I'm going to use macros for that. So first of all, why it's different? Why it's not like, for example, it shows for one filing revenue, but for filing 1 and for filing 3, there's no revenue. And it's the situations came from because of tax of XBRL company use different tax. So my purpose now to fix it, and I'm going to use macros, short macros, what can help me to do that fast. This record macro, and it will be tag macros, and I'm going to use short key for that. Okay, now how you can see on filing 1, revenue net of interest expenses is actually a tag for filing 1. So I'm going to copy that, go to standard and put it on next XBRL tag number 2. So now I would like to change formula which derive number. So I'm going to use second tag for that. Second tag. And it's absolute enter. I'm stopping recording on that. Now when our macros is recorded and actually I'm gonna store it on a macro sheet, and I'm go to here, open the macros, edit. So our short macros looks like that. I'm gonna copy it and paste to the macros. So let's now test our macros, how it works. We're going back to standard. I'm going to use our macros for all other tags what I found out from filings. Actually, what you can do, there's a tag list. Actually, if we had more time, I would incorporate new tags in the tag sheet, and it's also XBRL tags using formula or in VLOOKUP or matching could derive several tags and use them in the formula. But it's too short to do that. We short on time. So let's do what we have. Net income loss, new tag. So here's an A, and we're using short key for our to run our macros. See, I push Control B, and numbers here. So the same we will do for cash and due from banks, so it's a cash. But I see the cash is here, and actually it somehow shows there it's there, but it's not showing number. Okay, I will skip it for now. Or maybe I will try use this to Control C. Yeah, so it's a different formatting, so it's also working for that. And asset current, it's actually just taking cash and equivalent of cash because financial company doesn't have any financial inventory, and basically all current assets can go there. Next, what else? Liabilities. Also, we're using macros. This is not working. What about with liabilities? C. Okay, I can find the formula for that. That's also working. Yep. And this is also, and this is derives the number, but for this it's probably even different labels or tags, so I need to find other labels. Now I find all cells for with like information should come, but for some reasons here was mistaken a formulas and XURL, so I just drag it and it show pop-ups numbers, but here is an A error. It's okay because current asset coming from some ring cash and all other assets what we supposed to make, but it's not here. So basically what we need to figure it out are also it's only liabilities for that, and we see already where it's coming from. So I just need to reference it. Okay, now what I did, I just like reference to this lines in the filing, so I get some numbers. And when it's done, I just wanted to make it more beautiful, and I will record another macros and go to developer record macros, and it will be formatting macros. I'm gonna use Q for reference. So I hide tags because if I need to edit it, I'm gonna open it and edit it. Now I'm gonna read off all this formula, so I don't want to somebody see them. Like it's not important. It's for working formula. If they working, I don't need to see them. So I'm just choose them. Format, format cells. I choose hidden. I don't need log. Okay, and I choose protect. Shit. Okay. So now it's disappeared with preferences, and I'm also would like to make invisible of this forms itself. So I will do it like, oh, so we rid of all this information what we don't need. Actually, we need this reference to see how to find these numbers from our filings. And now we will see like this model change completely. Now we can compare the companies except R&D, it's like research and development, but financial services don't use this ratio as well as like ratio for inventories because they don't have any inventories. So there's a lot of work can be done with that program, and using macros you can format it like you want for convenience. but itself XBRL not so well yet. So I think this should be work. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it very convincing because 10 minutes it's not so much time to make it how it's supposed to be done. So that's it. Thank you very much. Enjoy your summer, Professor. Bye.